Question number 6 is use the factor theorem to show that x plus 3 is a factor of fx. So if x plus 3 is a factor, it means x plus 3 is equal to 0. So it means x is equal to minus 3. So if we put x is equal to minus 3 in this equation, we get 0 answer. So f minus 3 is equal to minus 6. Instead of x, this is minus 3 cube, minus 7, x square is minus 3 square, that is a square, plus 40x means 40 multiplied by negative 3 plus 21. So if we solve it, this is 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. 7 times 6 is 42, that is 162. This is 2 negatives, a positive. This is minus. 3 square is 9 times 7 is 63. Minus 4 times 3 is 120. Plus 21. So that will be 1, 6 and 2 is 8, 3 minus 183. So is equal to 0. So x plus 3 is a factor of fx. We have proved that by putting x is equal to negative 3, we are getting 0. It shows, according to the factor theorem, that this is a factor. Now factorize completely. Now we'll use the method of long division to factorize it completely. Let's factorize x by x plus 3. Let's divide by x plus 3. Our factor minus 6x cube minus 7x square plus 40x and plus 21. So we have to factorize it. Now first one is, here the first one is minus 6x cube and this one is x. So 6 minus 6x cube and this one is x. If we divide, we get minus 6x square. So we write here minus 6x square. Minus times plus is minus. 6x square times x is 6x cube. Then plus and minus is minus. 6 times 3 is 18 and x square. This is minus 6x square. If I multiply it by x plus 3, this is minus 6x square. So minus 6x square and x is minus 6x cube. Minus 6 times 3 is 18 x square. So that's what I have written it here. Now signs are same, so we change the sign. This will cancel, and what we are going to have here is plus 11x square plus 40x. Now by the same method, 11x square by x will be 11x. So plus 11x. So 11x times x is 11x square and 3 times 11 is 33x. Signs are same, so we are going to change the sign. This is negative and this is negative. 11x square minus 11x square is 0. 40 minus 33 will be plus 7x and plus 21. Now x multiplied by 7 will be 7x plus 21. So this will be, we change the sign because these are positive, negative, negative, so this cancel. So remainder is 0. This also proved that x plus 3 is a factor. So we can write fx is equal to x plus 3 and minus 6x square plus 11x plus 7. We have to factorize it completely. So the fx is x minus 3 and 2x plus 1 and 3x minus 7 negative. Or now the part C is factorize it, solve the equation 6 2 is to the power 3y 6 2 is to the power 3y plus 7 2 is to the power 2y is equal to 40 2 is to the power y plus 21. This equation can be written as 6 2 is to the power 3y plus 7 2 is to the power 2y minus 40 2 is to the power y minus 21 is equal to 0. We can compare with this equation with that is minus 6 x cube minus 7 x square plus 40 x plus 21 is equal to 0. So here we can see that let 2 is to the power y is equal to x. So 2 is to the power 2y is equal to x square and 2 is to the power 3y is equal to x cube. So this equation can be written as f 2 is to the power x. It can be written as minus 6 2 is to the power, let's say this is a y, 2 is to the power y, 3y plus 7, now this will be minus 7 2x square plus 40 not 2x square, it will be 2 is to the power this 2y 40 2 is to the power y plus 21 is equal to 0. So our factors for this thing were x plus 3. So it is 2 is to the power y plus 3, then 3x minus 7, 3, 2 to the power x minus 7, 2 to the power y, and 2 to the power y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this equation is 2 to the power y, so only valid solution is this. So we can say that 3 multiplied 2 is to the power y is equal to 7. So 2 is to the power y is equal to 7 over 2. So y log 2 is equal to log